Hey you guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. आप लोग मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट करते हो. लास्ट वाला मैंने जब अपना लाइफ इन लंदन अपडेट व्लॉग बनाया था तो वो आपको पसंद आया था. काफी लोगों ने मुझे पर्सनली भी बोला था हमने आपका वो वीडियो देखा था और हम रिलेट कर पाए थे एज एन इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट. एंड आई जस्ट keep thinking about the moment when I'll be going for the airport and saying goodbye to my family. What will I feel? Just me and my family. I have my mama and my brother in my family. For those of you who don't know, I lost my parents, my mom 5 years ago, my dad 9 years ago almost. And March is the month when I lost them. So March एक emotionally काफी heavy month होता है, but February was like moderately heavy on me emotionally. I'm very thankful for each one of you जो मेरे YouTube पे स्पेशली आते हो मेरे स्नैपचैट और इंस्टाग्राम से. मैं इस टाइप से ओपनली बातें नहीं कर पाती हूँ जैसे कि मैं आज करने वाली हूँ. इन दिस व्लॉग आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू ऑल माय करंट लाइफ अपडेट्स जो कि काफी ज्यादा मेस्ड अप चल रही है एज यूजुअल. बिफोर गेटिंग स्टार्टेड लेट मी ड्रिंक वाटर एंड इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट यू ऑल शुड स्टे हाइड्रेटेड. As you all know, मैं India आई थी from London in November and like 29th November. It's almost 29th February, so it makes December, Jan, Feb, 3 months. I've completed 3 months in India already. I came for 1.5 months, but I extended the trip, which was good. I had a really good time in India. Like ये 3 months, starting here 1.5 months were like amazing, really emotionally very fulfilling, and I was feeling like, oh my god, my life is actually aligning and काफी चीजें बहुत अच्छी चल रही थी मेरी लाइफ में. I was traveling a lot. I went to Dubai and Bali, and in my personal life as well I was feeling that fulfillment. I was having really supportive people around me and they are still with me. ऐसा नहीं है कि अब नहीं है, but things have changed. अपनी personal life में जो भी चीजें आप face करते हो उसकी वजह से आपके आसपास के लोगों पे भी काफी impact पड़ता है, and कभी कभी आप बहुत ज्यादा self focused हो जाते हो. मैं अपनी बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, पर अगर कोई और भी है वो भी सेल्फ फोकस्ड एक लिमिट से ज्यादा हो जाते हैं, सो दे स्टार्ट इग्नोरिंग अदर्स एंड देयर नीड्स एंड जस्ट फोकस ऑन देयर ओन सेल्व्स, व्हिच इज नॉट रॉन्ग, व्हिच इज ऑलराइट, बट व्हिच मेड थिंग्स अ बिट अप एंड डाउन फॉर मी इन माय पर्सनल लाइफ. उसकी वजह से मेरा थोड़ा सा मेंटल पीस खराब हुआ था फॉर सम टाइम, 15-20 days के लिए, and then it kept stretching, so वो ठीक था, एक moderate level पे था, but I wasn't able to give my best in everything. But career-wise, social media-wise, my Instagram is doing really good. You guys are loving my gym videos, funny gym videos especially, and I am aiming to make more such content. And recently I made a plan for all my platforms. For my Snapchat, YouTube, Instagram, I decided what type of content I want to be posting on all these platforms. For example, on YouTube, I've decided that now when I'll be going back to London, I'll be making street London vlogs. Like I will be exploring each and every street and show you what's in there, what are the things to do for you to see. I guess that'll be interesting. आप मुझे comment करके बताना if you want to see that. Second, yes, my life update vlog. इस टाइप के व्लॉग्स मुझे काफी हेल्प करते हैं अपनी जर्नी, अपनी लाइफ के बारे में आपसे बात करने में, और आपको भी हेल्प करते होंगे मुझसे रिलेट करने में. And for my Instagram, I've decided that I'm going to be making more gym relatable videos, because that's what is trending these days. Apart from that, I am also planning to make get ready with me videos, fitness outfit videos, because you guys really want to see what I wear to the gym. Abhi content list mein ye hai, and if you have any more ideas, please let me know. It really helps. And at the same time on Snapchat, just the normal routine. As soon as I wake up, I have to show my audience, this is what I'm having for breakfast, and then what I wore, what is the fit of the day, and then gym, and where am I going tonight won't be a thing that I'm going to be doing daily, but most of the times. And while making content for my other platforms, I'll also be showing all of behind the scenes on my Snap profile. So, and अब आते हैं लंदन वापस जाने की बात पे, because it's the most asked question. Are you coming back to London? When are you coming back to London? Have you settled back in India? Are you going to settle in London? So guys, still I haven't decided. It's really tough and overwhelming, because when you move from one country to another country, you live there for 2 years, and then you still are not sure what do you want to really do in life. I'm in that stage. In June, I'm going to be turning 25 years old, and it takes a toll on you, because ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत कुछ करना है लाइफ में, बहुत चीजें अचीव करनी है. I have achieved things. I'm proud of myself. My family is proud of me. My people are proud of me, all of you. But I still want to achieve much, much, much more. Like, I want to grow as much as possible. So जो मैंने अभी तक achieve किया, उसके बाद expectations और high set हो गए हैं. So अगर उस लेवल पे भी मैं हूँ या उससे नीचे हूँ थोड़ा सा भी, तो it doesn't fit well for me. मुझे और heights achieve करनी है. उसके लिए बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, बहुत चीजें sort करनी पड़ेंगी. So be it London, be it India, I wanna build something out of my socials, my education. So मेरे current plans भी काफी सारे हैं जो मैं disclose अभी नहीं कर सकती हूँ, because obviously किसी ने मुझे कहा था जब तक चीजें पूरी ना हो जाए तब तक उन्हें announce मत करा करो. But I am working on a few things. वो काफी slow चल रही हैं, which I really hate, because मुझे वेट करना पसंद नहीं. आई कैन वेट फॉर 1 week, बट उससे ज्यादा अब अगर डिले होती है ना फिर चीजें, तो वो काफी इरिटेट करता है. एंड देन उस चीज से भी आई एम करंटली डीलिंग. एट लंदन वापस जाने का मेरा प्लान फाइनली बन चुका है. So what I did was, when I came back to India, I wanted to move out of the current property anyway. So I grabbed that opportunity और मैंने अपना सारा storage room में रख दिया. And तब मैं इंडिया आई. I left the previous accommodation जहाँ पे मैं रह रही थी. I was living in Colindale, London. And now when I was in India for 1.5 months, I was just chilling, and I was like, yeah, I have to find a house. I'll do it. It is a big deal. I always knew finding a house in London is a big deal, but I was chill about it. Then my friend pushed me, no, you have to do it now, because it will take time. And then when I actually started looking for houses, it took me whole 1.5 month to find one, and I found one finally. So my plan is to go back to London on 10th of March. Abhi, I haven't booked my tickets. Like in 1 or 2 days, I'll book my ticket as well. And वो भी emotion काफी एक toll लेने वाला है मेरे ऊपर, because I've lived in India at my home with my family for a good 3 months, and I had a really good time. I was living my old life. थोड़ा content create करने में slightly problem हो रहा था, but I did really well. Like, I would pat on my shoulders, because I got really good response from my audience. Abhi currently I'm out of content, I'll be really honest, for my Snapchat, for my Instagram, because for last 2 weeks I was only sitting at home and finding a house in London. That was the only goal and agenda for every single day. So I've also skipped gym. I've skipped everything and just focused on this thing, and that actually made me find a house. Otherwise nahi hota agar main sab kuch, like, can you imagine 2 weeks of only searching and tab jaake mujhe house mila. I upgraded my account on Spare Room, if you know what it is, and tab mujhe kafi sare leads aaye. So it is actually really helpful. If urgently kisi house hunt pe ho, then definitely go for the upgrade. It's a big thumbs up, because again, I'm going to be starting a new life. I've lived there for 2 years, but now I was here in India. जब मैं यहाँ आई तो it felt like, oh, I'm starting again. And then now I'll go back to London. It will be the same feeling. I'm starting again. But it's good. Like life आपको opportunities दे रही है, आपको explore करने का मौका दे रही है अलग अलग places. तो मैं बस ये चाहती हूँ कि मैं उन चीजों का बेस्ट यूज कर पाऊँ. मैं अपनी प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन या लेजीनेस या किसी भी चीज की वजह से वेस्ट ना करूं जो चीज मुझे गॉड ने दी है, उसका पूरा यूज कर पाऊं. और आई वांट टू मेक or build something great out of it. And I need your blessings, wishes, good wishes, peace. Yeah, so I have my mama, my brother in my family. They always support me. They are always there for me. Even when I'm making any decisions, they're always guiding me. Like, this is the right thing for you. I'm always asking questions, taking guidance. My brother is really smart and intelligent. Like, he's doing CA right now. And वो काफी spiritual है, extremely spiritual, religious. Religious is the right word for him. He's into God and really into God. That's the purpose of his life, to worship God. And which is right. But I really push him to study and focus on his career as well, which he sometimes neglect. And we have, like, last night only we had some argument related to that because I was trying to really push him. And then he keeps saying that you only talk about studying every single time. But who else will if I won't? So that is one thing that happened last night, which is still there in my head, and I'm making this vlog and sharing it. I'm a professional yapper. You can give me an award. I'll send you my address. आप मेरे घर पे मुझे वो award भेज सकते हो. But I feel really good talking to you because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत लोग समझेंगे, relate कर पाएंगे या मुझे जान पाएंगे. और मुझे भी काफी अच्छा लगता है पर्सनली याद करके. पर हाँ, लाइक अभी मैं एक अकेले रूम में बैठी हूँ और कैमरा के सामने बोल रही हूँ, पर अगर ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग मेरे सामने बैठे होंगे तो मैं नहीं बोल पाऊंगी. बट आप लोग ये अपने अपने घर पे बैठ के देखोगे. सो आई डोंट नो, आई एम मेकिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ वीडियो फॉर द सेकेंड और थर्ड टाइम. अभी करंटली ये मेरी लाइफ अपडेट है. आप लोग बताओ मुझे, आपकी लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ हुआ है, कुछ भी, या क्या चल रहा है. आई वुड रियली लव टू नो दैट. एंड मुझे नेक्स्ट यूट्यूब ब्लॉग के लिए भी आइडियाज दो. आई लव यू ऑल सो मच. बाय.